I am in love with our new motorized roller shades from Tokblinds. The blinds are easy to install. Use a drill or a screwdriver to install the two brackets. Then you just clip on the blinds. Easy as 1, 2, and 3. There's also an option to install a bracket to hold your remote control. Okay, my loves, so it comes with a pre-programmed remote. So I had the blind here on my right is on channel 1, and the blind here on my left is on channel 2. So this is the on and off button here. So I have channel 1 and I have channel 2. And so all I have to do is control my blinds. I can let them down like this. You see the blind is coming down, and the other blind is also coming down. And I really like the fact that the battery came with the remote. How awesome is that? So yes, I'm going to go ahead and stop both of them. So I stopped both of them, but I want them to be even. I want them to be even. So I'm going to let one up just a tad bit more. I am loving these blinds. I am loving them. I actually like the blinds all the way up because I love to let the light in. So I'm going to go ahead and let them all the way up. I'm going to position my chair back in its rightful place and let you know what I have going on here in the orange living room. Okay, loves. So let's see here. What do I have going on here in this beautiful, bright and airy orange and gray living room? I'm going to start with the drapes. Now, typically, all my drapes come from Amazon, but I was gifted these drapes from a company over on Instagram. They're called 2-Page Curtains, and I love them. This is my first set of gray drapes, and they're velvet. They're super, super cute and so luxurious. My white shears are from Amazon. The chair is from Wayfair. This pillow here is from Ideal Home Decor. This beautiful vase here is a Z Gallery find from several years ago. All these flowers are from Hobby Lobby. The wall art you see there is actually from Home Goods. The lamp is from Home Goods. Pineapple candle holder is from Bath and Body Works. Candles are from Amazon, from either Amazon or Hobby Lobby. The end tables are from Homary. The sconces on the wall are from Z Gallery. Wall art is from At Home. My coffee table is from Transformer Table. The beautiful tray is from CB2. The elephant candle holder is from Thomas Ferrier. This vase is from Z Gallery. And these beautiful flowers here are from Temu. They're very affordable. You get like a set of, I think it's a set of 4 for like $4 or $5. The orange pillows on the long sofa is from Moina Decor, a young lady over on Instagram. My rug is from Well Woven. Mirror from Z Gallery, Ginger Jar Home Goods. This flower here is from Ross. Accent cabinet from At Home. Planter is from CB2. And another ginger jar from Home Goods. So that sums up this room in a nutshell. I hope that this video inspired someone, and don't forget to check out the link below for the blinds. Bye.